Hi there, my name is Zach Dowd and I am the CEO of Eazi-Business. In this short video, I'm going to give you an overview of our website development platform. The FullPivot business opportunity includes 5 high-demand solutions which you can deliver to businesses with no coding skills at all. Firstly, you can deliver cutting-edge, powerful mobile apps to help businesses increase sales and customer loyalty. You can combine this offering with lightning-fast websites that work on all devices. And with the huge growth of online shopping, you can provide e-commerce and food ordering services to help businesses pivot their sales to online. You can also help businesses rank higher on Google search results with our zero-code platform. And finally, you can help local businesses clarify their brand message with our 6-part business communication framework and online training course. These are the 5 core products you will have access to and will be able to offer to local businesses with FullPivot. However, in this session, I'm going to cover our website development platform exclusively. If you want to get an overview of this business opportunity and all of our 5 products, you can watch our FullPivot webinar on YouTube. So firstly, let's look at the problems businesses are facing with their websites. Most websites are slow and often take more than 8 seconds to load and even longer on mobile. This actually turns visitors away, and a Google study shows that if a website takes more than 3 seconds to load, over 50% of visits are abandoned. Website load speed is now critical and can have a direct impact on sales. Surprisingly enough, there are still a lot of websites that are not optimized for tablet and for mobile, and this is an instant turn-off for visitors. Also, most websites are built on technology that makes it hard for the business owner to manage. They end up being totally reliant on a web developer for even minor changes, and this can be a real waste of time and can end up being costly. And finally, a lot of old websites are still insecure. They don't have HTTPS encryption. With FullPivot, you can provide your customers with websites that work on all devices. Websites built on FullPivot automatically resize depending on the device they are being visited from. The content can also be customized. For example, on desktop, the user has full navigation around the website. On tablet, it may prove to be beneficial to display sliding images on certain pages. And on mobile, the homepage can display a click-to-call button as the user is accessing the website via their cell phone. With all these problems that businesses are facing, what are the benefits of websites built on FullPivot? Well, one of the biggest selling points is that websites on FullPivot are built for speed and they often load in under 2 seconds. With FullPivot, you can also offer advanced e-commerce solutions to help your customers increase sales online. And our drag and drop editor makes it super easy to update text, images, add new pages, and much more without any technical experience. Within the builder itself, there are site comments that allow the customer or you to share feedback with the designer directly within the editor. Also, our websites are best in class for search engines, and this can help websites get found higher up in search. And whilst our website platform is easy to use, we offer a full in-house build service by our experts. Okay, let's go over and have a look at the kind of websites you can offer to your customers. Now, with this website, you will be able to see hundreds of beautifully designed website themes that you could demonstrate to your customers. If you want to preview this yourself, you can go to multiscreen.fullpivot.com. Now, within this site, you will see standard themes, advanced themes, some of our intelligent marketing features, and also our widgets. When you scroll down, you will see here that we've got beautifully designed themes for hundreds of different business verticals. And you can actually click on any one of these and it will open up the website. So let's have a look at this one as an example. It'll open up the website where you can preview it in desktop, tablet, and mobile view. up at the top, you'll see the icons. And if you click on any one of these, it'll take you, in this case, to desktop view or tablet view and even mobile. So let's go to the desktop view. The website itself, although it's not published, it's not a live website, it's a fully functioning theme that you can demonstrate to your customers. And if your customer likes a particular theme, actually the logo, the colors, the images, the content can all be replaced really easily and really quickly. So going back to the multi-screen website, that was just one example, but actually we've got lots and lots of different examples here that you can demonstrate. And they're all super modern. They've been beautifully designed by our expert designers, and they're essentially out of the box. They're ready to be used immediately. So here's one for a gym. And if I just open this up again, you can see here the way that the whole site's been crafted. It's been done professionally. And like I said, it's very easy to switch out the logo, update the colors, change the content, change the images. We've got an image library of millions of royalty-free images that can be accessed through our web development platform. If we go back. So of course, I can't go through all of these. We've got too many websites to actually demonstrate here, but by all means, you can come here and have a look at yourself. We've also got some really nice advanced themes. So these are ones that have had a little bit more work. They've been customized for desktop, tablet, and mobile separately, and they're really, really beautiful. Again, you'll see that there's been a lot of work that has gone into all of these websites. So here's another example for a hotel that could easily be adapted for any particular business. On this site, you'll also be able to access intelligent marketing features. So really, we would say that we haven't come across other services that offer things like this, where you can help the business generate extra business based on triggers and actions and conversions. And we've got a whole bunch of sample rules here that increase conversions. So for example, if a visitor arrives on Valentine's Day, show a notification bar enabling reservations. The value for this is to boost sales with easy online reservations. If we scroll down, if a visitor clicks on a unique link from a campaign, display a special pop-up that directly relates to the campaign. The value in this is to improve your campaign with a customized message. And all of these are so easy to set up within the editor itself. You can see we've got lots and lots of different examples here that you can have a look at. And then finally, we've got hundreds of widgets that have been developed, and this has taken a huge amount of time and effort. There was a time when all of these widgets were available independently for sale, and what we've decided to do for FullPivot is to include all of these widgets for free for our FullPivot partners. The value of just the widgets alone comes to about £5,000, but that's included within the FullPivot business. And again, you can go through here, you can click on any of these widgets. There are previews that are ready. There's a description of the widget. It shows you how to actually use it as well. So that gives you an understanding of some of our themes, some of the features that we can offer as well. Let's now head over to the platform where I'm going to show you how easy it is to update and change your website. Now, as a FullPivot partner, you would have access to the dashboard where you can build out the websites, and you'll be provided with your own user credentials to log into the dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, to create a website, you simply go up to Create Responsive Site. And within here, you will see that you have access to all of the themes that I just demonstrated to you earlier, but this time they're actually within the builder itself. On the left-hand side, you can filter by category if you want, or you can search for a particular theme that you're looking for. Once you've decided on the theme, you can go and preview it if you want. This is where you can view the theme in desktop, tablet, and mobile before you select it. And if you're then happy with the theme, you simply go back and click Create Site. In this case, I'm just going to call it Demo 1. Now the website's been created utilizing that theme. You simply go to edit, and you are now taken into the website development platform. You'll notice on the left-hand side, you have the navigation for design, pages, widgets, content, personalized, and e-commerce. It's actually a really, really simple layout. And for those of you who have used the likes of WordPress, you'll really appreciate the simplicity behind this without compromising on functionality. As you hover your mouse over any section, you'll see that they highlight, and you can now start editing any element of the website. So for example, in the top fold, you can see that there's a background video playing. If you click on this, it will open up the design and you can see the video that's playing there. If you want, you can change that video, and you would simply drop in a YouTube, Vimeo, or a Dailymotion URL here, and the video will automatically play in the background. If you don't want to show a video, you simply click delete. And in this case, the video has now been replaced by the background image. If you want to replace that background image, you simply click on replace. One of the great things is that with our website development platform, you have access to millions of royalty-free images. So if I just search for fashion images, and really we can pick any image we want. So let's just select this image, and you can see it's instantly replaced. So really super easy to do, and it's a really nice way to customize the website. Now if I close that off, beyond this, if you go over the text, you can click on any element and you can start editing the text for your customer. Moving further down, you also have the ability to add additional sections. So if we click on add a section, in the left-hand side, you'll see a menu of different options that you have, and you can choose any one of these. So let's go to testimonials as an example, and you will be provided with a number of different layouts here. So in this case, if you want to add a testimonial section, we could choose any one of these. Of course, they're all editable. And if I click on save, you can now see that there's a new testimonial section in here. Again, these images are editable. They can all be replaced. The text is all editable. But it's literally a couple of clicks and you've got a beautifully designed section that actually works on desktop. It also works on tablet, and it also works on mobile. So going back to the desktop version. So on the top left side, there's also a design section. Now, what you can do here is that you can update the font that's used throughout the website. You can also update the global buttons. You can set the parameters for global images and global rows. So you probably want to do that right from the very outset. You can also see which pages they are within the website. And in this case, they are 5 pages. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you want to nest a page within another page, you simply drag it over, and you can now see that this page has been brought in under gallery here. You can see the contact has been brought in, and you can then also drag that page back. If you click on the cog icon, the page can be renamed. The pages can also be hidden on mobile, for example, because it may not be a page that would be particularly useful on a mobile device or even on a tablet. You can duplicate the pages really easily here. You can access the SEO settings as well. And if you want to add a new page, you can do that there. You also have access to a whole load of widgets. We've spent a huge amount of time building out these widgets to save you time and effort. Now, of course, if we build the websites for you, we can utilize these widgets depending on your customer's instructions. But actually, there may be instances where you want to drop in a widget yourself, or even once you passed the keys over to your customer, they may want to modify the website in some way or other. All these widgets are free for our FullPivot partners. And then there's an e-commerce section in here as well, where you can build out a store, and they look absolutely wonderful. There are so many options here. We've got a lot of payment gateways available, And in fact, a lot of businesses are now transitioning to offering their goods and services online. So this is a core part of our offering. So hopefully this gives you an idea of our platform. If you do want to have a more in-depth demonstration of this, by all means, reach out to our business development team and we'd be happy to spend a bit more time with you on this. But this is just really to give you an initial short overview of how easy it is to use our cutting-edge technology. So let's just see what's included with websites that are built on FullPivot. To touch on just a few technical aspects of our websites. Firstly, they're all hosted on Amazon Cloud. This is a great selling point as Amazon is a tier 1 hosting provider and lets your client know the quality of our service. As mentioned earlier, all of our sites come with free HTTPS encryption. A lot of hosting providers charge separately for this. We also have an excellent built-in statistics and analytics functionality, and you can offer powerful, intelligent marketing features. And finally, you and your customers benefit from ongoing support once the website has gone live. So how can you help businesses as a FullPivot partner? Well, firstly, we've got hundreds of beautifully designed themes that you can show to your prospects, and we're constantly adding new modern designs that you can choose from. We have a ton of widgets allowing you to offer advanced functionality. To put this into context, we recently made all of our widgets, which are worth about £5,000. We've made them all free to our FullPivot partners. You can also offer advanced e-commerce to your customers with integration of a lot of different payment gateways. This is great if they're looking to sell online. And finally, as I mentioned earlier, although you can build the websites yourself using our development platform, we offer a complete website build service. If you want to find out a little bit more about our build service, again, please just contact our team and they'll be happy to go through this with you. So that's a quick overview of the technology. When you become a FullPivot partner, you have access to all 5 products. Of course, in this session, I've just gone through the website products. We provide you with 4 days of live training. We also provide you with mentoring from an experienced FullPivot partner who will work with you over the first 6 weeks to help you get your business up and running. You will also have access to our online academy with over £15,000 worth of courses. And you'll get unlimited technical support. So this could be via telephone, it could be by email, or even through live chat. And you also have the benefit of being able to attend our regular partner webinars where we share best practice. And of course, we provide you with a full range of marketing tools. So this includes your marketing website, brochures, business cards, presentations, proposals, order forms, and a lot more. And of course, you can access our team of specialists at any time. So hopefully you found this session useful and informative. If you do want to find out more, please do reach out to us, contact our business development team, and they'll be more than happy to help you. We do also have other videos on YouTube on FullPivot, so feel free to head on over there and have a look. And thank you for listening.